This 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3408 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Whitecap, Harbour Glazed Maple Hardwood, MF interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, slideout, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV antenna, water heater, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3408 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton 6.8 LV10 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.